Hello guys, Adialin Banks is back. So I first want to say thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel and also took time to like and comment. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And if you're watching this and you're new here, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment and share as well. And join the Adialin Banks family on this amazing journey. I promise you will enjoy the ride. Now let's get down to business. So I promise you guys I will be getting amazing poems, creative writing and a lot more other things that I promise. Well, today I will be taking you on a beautiful cruise, which includes ask for one and get two special treats. Here is how it will go. So I will be showing you a piece I did for my beautiful country, Sierra Leone. And in this video, instead of you just getting to see my beautiful look like 16-year-old face when I'm much more older, yes I have, you will also get to see beautiful and amazing landscape of my country and also a historical throwback. Yeah. I did this piece to summarize what my country has gone through and also to showcase how strong and resilient Sierra Leoneans are and also how much we as a people need to continue to work hard to be the strong and resilient people we are. So I hope you guys enjoy it and please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below and also tap on the notification bell so you'll be notified when next I post an amazing and interesting video. Trust me, they are all going to be amazing and interesting. So this is just an advice. Feel free to enjoy the beautiful and amazing things you will be seeing in this video, but don't get carried away by it because you might. Please remember to listen to the words as well as they are key. So ladies and gentlemen, I bring you Tears of Freedom. Our country had been shackled by the chains of slavery. The land that we love had bled tears of raging war. Our country was quarantined by the mask of specimens of unknown origin. Our country was buried by an outcry of the Lion Mountain. Our country, I've seen it all. But amidst all this chaos and misfortune, our country still stands tall as a cotton tree that has survived centuries of rain and mysterious fires. She has conquered the quest of pain and anguish, and her people still stand strong with hope for a brighter future. And together we shall rise and march our way up the beautiful Lion Mountain with our heads held up high, reaching to its peak. Using our voices together, let us help her roar. Let our voices together as one shake through the heavens, and together, let's grab our freedom. Together, let's embrace the misfortunes of our past. Let's embrace the hurt of our present. Let's accept that the future can never be predicted, no matter the predictions given to convince us otherwise. Together, let's battle our inner voice that keeps telling us to give up on ourselves. Together, let's battle the same inner voice that keeps telling us that our country is doomed and beyond saving. Because our country don't need saving. It is us, the people, that needs to save ourselves by changing our negative mindset and engaging in meaningful activities to improve our lives, and which automatically improves the country. So the tears rolling down our cheeks should not be tears of sadness. Those tears should not be tears of pain and hurt. Let those tears be tears of achievement. Let them be tears of hard work. Let them be tears of joy from accomplishment. Let them be tears
of freedom.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified when next I post amazing and interesting videos. And you all know my videos are interesting and a lot more is on its way. So until we meet again, don't forget to find your passion and make it your mission. And bye-bye.